Hello guys, so you can see I have an array of things that I'm working on and some of the things that I have finished. I have finished my Grinch um, head. Those are two that I'm making for my daughter. I also have finished mine up there that's on my mantle. That's my mantle of the Grinch. I have made a lot of things for Christmas, and I still got a lot to go because I ain't got up my Christmas tree. So right now I am working on these little Grinch. I'm gonna make Grinch faces for ornaments, and this is what I'm using to make them. Um, yeah, they're curled right now, but I'm gonna glue them down to a foam board. But this is the paint that I'm using. This is the Waverly chalk paint in the color Scallion. And that's how I'm getting my Grinch color. Also, I'm working on my little miniature Grinch right there. I have to use my lighter for certain DIYs. But this is what I'm doing today. Um, going to make a Grinch tree out of that right there. So I'm just painting the things that I'm doing right now. I'm also working on my Grinch sign for my this right here. I don't know if I like that Grinch too much. I might change it a little bit, but I'm gonna make like a sign, tree sign. That's my bucket I'm gonna use, and I'm just having a lot of fun with the Grinch this Christmas. And this is my mess in the middle of my living room floor because I love DIY. It saves you a lot of money. I did buy some. I did buy some things that was already made, but most of the stuff I'm gonna make myself to save me a lot of money. Those Grinch balls right there, it lights up, and also that candle right there with the Grinch stocking on it, it lights up. Um, the whole mantle lights up. I just don't have it lit right now because it's daytime. But I just wanted to let y'all know what I was doing and how much I'm having fun. I got a mess going on down here. So I hope everyone has a blessed day. Can I encourage you to get up and get going? If you're down and you need something to pep you up, start DIYing. It'll get you in the right spirit of Christmas, and plus it'll keep your mind occupied so that old devil can't sneak in and put no negative thoughts in you. So, yeah, just an encouraging word. Like if you're down, get up and start crafting. That will get your mind occupied, thinking, being creative, and all those things that's not good for you will soon disappear, and you will have a happy spirit. So, yeah, get up, everybody. Start crafting. Get your mind occupied so that you can get in a happy place. Everybody be blessed and start crafting. It'll help you.